May sulat po tayo ngayon at ito yung klase ng kwento na madalas huli na nating naiintindihan. And this is Dear Kuya Rod. You write, I listen. Dear Kuya Rod, I was in a relationship with someone who truly loved me. Hindi siya perfecto, pero totoo siya sa akin. But at that time, I didn't see it. I focused on what was lacking instead of what was there. I complained, I compared, I pushed him away. Until one day, napagod siya. And now, he's gone. Pero Rod, ngayon ko lang na-realize, I lost someone who genuinely loved me. And now, I regret it. Naku, masakit po talaga yan. At totoo yan, hindi lahat ng pagkawala may second chance. Because sometimes, we don't lose people. We let them go while they were still loving us. At ang pinakamahirap doon, hindi yung pagkawala nila, kundi yung realization na ikaw yung dahilan. You ask, can I still fix this? Maybe. But not everything broken is meant to be repaired. Kasi kapatid, may mga tao sa buhay natin na hindi binibigay para manatili, kundi para turuan tayo kung paanong magmahal ng tama. And sometimes, the consequence is not getting them back, but becoming better for the next love. Kung may kwento po kayo, kung may pinagsisisihan ka, sumulat po kayo sa akin. You can stay anonymous. This is Dear Kuya Rod.